Okay, I guess it's actually recording now. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Destination Rust. Today we're going to do an inside video. We're going to do a little bit of unboxing today for some new stuff we have for outdoors and indoors for the channel. So what we're going to start with first today is our latest addition to our magnet lineup. This will be our newest magnet from Brute Magnetics. Again, we will link them in the description down below. And also the number for 911 if I cut my fingers off. Hold that. Okay, so in this box that we ordered today, this will be the magnet kit plus, also on Brute Magnetics, you can buy very nice rope. What is it, 100 feet? 150?
65.
Oh, 65. Okay, so our 1,200 pound drop magnet uses a very much smaller paracord style rope. It has been awesome, and love these carabiners too. We will show a little bit more of this out on a bridge somewhere because I don't feel like making a mess like that in this apartment. Okay, so the next and the best piece, oh my God, that's got some dirt to it. This is going to be the newest magnet. Were they sold out of the little black box kit?
No, I just didn't order it.
Nah, I got you. So for anybody that for anybody that's wondering, you can get these in a black box kit that comes with a nice little lock box, but we wind up just storing them in a toolbox anyways. Okay. Read the instructions. They tell you how not to lose your stuff. But as with every box, a bottle of red Loctite. And most importantly, oh, this thing is heavy. Look at that. They're always so pretty coming out of the box the first time. We're going to throw you into so many nasty rivers. So it will come with your eye bolt already assembled. So pretty much you can buy these right from Brute Magnetics, ready to go. All you have to do is follow the instructions, a little bit of Loctite right there. Screw it in however you prefer to attach your ropes. Maybe one day we'll show you, or when we actually rig this one up, we'll show you how we tie our ropes on. Let it sit for 24 hours and you're ready to start pulling stuff out of the river. Now this is a 2,000 pound drop magnet. I think all this cost around what, 60, 70 bucks after tax with shipping. So it's so pretty. It's so shiny and new. So hopefully we'll have some video with this very soon if weather permitting. And we might do a quick time lapse in a little while of how to set this up. So on to our next piece. Okay, so get this out of the way. Thank you, good sir. We'll get that out of the way for right now. All right, so the next thing we have, and it's something that we're really not sure when, where, or how we're going to do, but we decided, in the spirit of being outdoors, we have bought a gold panning kit. Because Gold Rush is a very cool TV show that we watch too much. Alright, let's see what's all inside of here. And remember, this one came through Detector Warehouse. They sell everything, just about anything outdoors and adventuring. Alright, so let's see what all we got here. Okay. Got a carry bag. Got an instructional DVD on how to gold pan like a pro in 30 minutes, plus 25 minutes of gold panning is easy. Cool. Takes me back to the 90s when everything came with a instructional video. So, on to the real cool goodie bits in this package. Okay, so small kit with some tweezers and a magnifying glass and a couple of vials to store your little gold nuggets and your excuse me, the gold that you find. This, I'm not sure what this is. I think once
Snuffer.
Was a sniffer?
Snuffer.
Yep. I'm assuming once you get everything down to the bottom of a pan, you suck it up into that with it?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a really convenient way to snort up your gold that you don't want to lose. Okay. Now, oh, they come with a book too. How to find gold, metal detecting and panning. Well, hopefully we can actually use this for some of our future metal detecting videos. Okay, so now here's the really cool stuff. This is called the backpack pan, if I remember right. It's a wet, dry, gravity finishing pan. I don't know how to use it yet, but we're going to learn together. And we hope you're going to come along for the adventure. I think this is going to be your... I guess this is a rock screener.
Classifier.
Classifier. Okay. I guess that just helps separate big rocks, the smaller rocks and dirt into your big pan. Oh, so this is like a 4-part system. You start with this, I'm assuming,
Yeah, with the big pan.
in this big pan. Correct?
I think so. Yeah.
Probably shake it out into there. Yeah. That thing I don't know how to do.
You gotta
Into this pan, and then I guess that's the finishing process of it. So we don't actually know when we're going to use this or where we're going to use this, but we think it's really cool. And hopefully we can figure out somewhere we can use it, because that would be super cool. Now, it also comes with this backpack.
No, it doesn't come with that.
Huh?
I ordered that.
Oh, you ordered this separately?
Yeah, it's just a junk bag for
Oh, okay.
metal detecting.
Oh, this is actually pretty cool.
So I'm filling up my pockets.
Yeah. I like the way it's lined. So this is one of Mike's latest purchases from Garrett, or through Garrett, by Detector Warehouse. Just this is a glorified fanny pack, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much. So my pockets don't fill up with all the junk.
In the mud and the crud.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have this sweet digital camo fanny pack that we're going to hopefully fill with treasures. All right, let's get this out of the way. Okay, and I don't know if anybody's interested in it or not, but since we have now joined the PC Master Race and can edit our videos on a computer now, Mike got his finished before mine. I am still currently in the process of activating and getting my computer going. To anybody that's interested in some of the equipment we use, I bought this because I'm basic like everybody else that has a computer. I'm gonna keep that for later. The bubble wrap. Okay, so in this goodie box, this is going to be some of the more behind-the-scenes equipment that you're probably not going to see. Went ahead with a Logitech G502 Hero mouse. Granted, this is pretty much a gaming mouse, but I don't know, maybe we can do a live stream on like Minecraft or something one day in the future. I don't know. And I also went with the Razer Chroma light-up keyboard because I'm basic. And I thought it looked really cool, like everybody else in the world that has this. To be honest with you, on either one of these products, I really don't know if they're good or not. I just thought they looked really cool, and that's why I bought them. So, we'll find out later if it was worth that money. Okay, so let us know, and I think that's pretty much going to wrap this video up. Let us know down in the comments if you have any questions about any other gear that we use, any other videos you would like to see. Like I said, I think we might do a quick little maybe a short 2 or 3 minute how to do video or how to video on setting the magnet up. It's very simple. It does not take a whole, actually 10 minutes and 24 hours of setting. Okay, we'll do that. Let us know in the comments down below, like I said before, if you like this kind of content, anything that you want to see in the future. And we hope to see you next time very soon. We are working on a few more videos. Remember, like, subscribe, and feel free to comment and join us on our Facebook page, same as the YouTube channel. I am working on getting our Instagram and Twitter set up. So, this has been Mike and Zach with Destination Rust. Hope you have a good day.